Fill in the blanks to complete the equation. So they have 76,830 is equal to 6 10,000s plus blank thousands plus 800s plus 3 tens. So let's just think about 76,830. So if we write 76,830. I'm going to try to color code it. 830. We could write this out as being the same thing. This is the same thing as 70,000 plus 6,000. The 7 is in the 10,000s place. So it's 7 10,000s, which is 70,000. Plus the 6 is in the thousands place. So it's 6,000 or 6,000s, one could say, plus 800, or you could say 800s, 800, plus 3 tens, or 30, plus 3 tens, or 30, and then there's 0, 1. So we could just write that out as 0 if we like. Now, what we have on the right here is almost what they have on the right over here. Notice the 0, they didn't write that, so we can ignore that. The 0 really doesn't affect the value. We have 3 tens. We have 3 tens. We have, let me do this in a color you can see. You have 800s, you have 800. You have, but then that's where it starts to break down. They have blank thousands. Here we have 6,000s, so we're going to have to think about this a little bit. And then they have 6 10,000s, which is 60,000. Here there's only, we have 70,000s. So we got to work through these two places right over here. So they have 6 10,000s, which is the same thing as 60,000. We have 70,000. So they essentially took 10,000 from here and regrouped it someplace. And since these two places are the same, they must have regrouped it into the thousands place. So let's try to do that. So let's get rid of 70,000, or let's get rid of 10,000 out of the 70,000. It becomes 60,000. So this becomes a 6. And then we're regrouping that into the thousands place. So we're going to add 10,000 to the thousands place. Now what's the thousands place going to be then? Well, it's 10,000 plus 6,000. It's going to become 16. It's going to become 16,000s. This right over here is going to become a 16. So now what we wrote here looks just like what they wrote up here. This is 6 10,000s plus 16,000s plus 800s plus 3 tens. And we're done.